Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. From this video, we'll start a new series where we'll learn about Azure AD or Azure Entra ID. So throughout the course, we'll learn both practical and theory of each concept of Azure Entra ID, but mostly we'll focus on the practical. So with that said, let's start the video. First of all, let's talk about what is Azure AD or Azure Entra ID. Is a Microsoft cloud-based identity and access management service which helps employees to sign in and access resources. Think of it like you have a company, and inside that company you contain multiple digital resources like different databases, different computers, and now there are multiple employees in your company. Now you want to set some rules so that a particular employee can access a particular level of resources. In that case, Entra ID comes to play the role. It's work like a gatekeeper and help you to organize things and give access to particular resource to particular user. So this is the work of Azure AD or Entra ID. And there is one more thing that you should know about Azure Entra ID, that Azure Entra ID is previously known as Azure Active Directory, and it is renamed as Microsoft Entra ID on July 15, 2023. And the reason is Microsoft already has Windows on-premises Active Directory, which makes confusion between Azure Active Directory and on-premises Active Directory. That's why it is renamed as Entra ID, but there is no change in the service. So in future lectures, whether I use the term Azure Active Directory or Entra ID, they both refers to the same thing. And now let's see how you can access Azure Active Directory or Entra ID. So there are two ways to access Microsoft Entra ID or Active Directory. The first one is take a Microsoft Azure subscription. So if you are new to Microsoft Azure, then you will get a 12-month free trial and $200 free credits. So you can use that to learn Microsoft Entra ID. Otherwise, you can take Microsoft Office subscription. In most of the laptop, when you purchase the laptop, Microsoft Office subscription is already available in that. So if you don't want to take Microsoft Azure subscription, then you have an option Microsoft Office, which is already free for you. So choose one of them. If you have Microsoft subscription, then in Azure portal you can only access to the Microsoft Entra ID. But if you have Microsoft Azure subscription, then you can use Microsoft Entra ID and the other services provided by Microsoft Azure. Now you can choose any two from this to continue with this series. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and from the next video we'll learn more about Microsoft Entra ID.